Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through fixing Twitch subs not showing so your subscriber list and notifications display correctly. First, refresh your Twitch page or restart the app to rule out temporary glitches. Next, check your subscription settings in the Creator dashboard and make sure subscriber notifications are enabled. Verify your chat settings and overlay software like Streamlabs or OBS to ensure they're connected and authorized properly. If you're using custom alerts, reconnect or update the integration to refresh the data. Also, check for delayed updates because Twitch sometimes takes a few minutes to reflect new subs. Finally, clear your browser cache or app data and test a new subscription if possible. These steps usually fix the issue and make Twitch subs appear correctly for your viewers. Subscribe the channel for more videos.